Welcome to Beyond the Sky, where science meets wonder.
Imagine a silent and endless universe, where colossal rocks have been drifting through the darkness for billions of years. Far from Earth, untouched by time, these asteroids carry the history of our solar system within them. One of these space rocks, a small asteroid moon called Dimorphos, suddenly became the focus of a bold and historic human experiment. In September 2022, NASA did something never attempted before. Instead of simply observing an asteroid, humanity decided to strike one on purpose. This daring mission was called DART, the Double Asteroid Redirection Test. Its goal was not destruction, but protection. Scientists wanted to answer one crucial question: if a dangerous asteroid were ever discovered on a collision course with Earth, could we actually stop it? The only way to know was to test the idea in real space conditions. As the DART spacecraft raced through space at more than 20,000 kilometers per hour, its target grew larger and clearer. There were no explosions, no countdown heard from Earth, only a silent impact in the vacuum of space. When DART slammed into Dimorphos, the asteroid's surface instantly erupted. Millions of kilograms of dust, rock, and debris were blasted outward, forming a massive cloud that glowed under the light of the sun. What happened next amazed scientists around the world. Powerful telescopes like Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope captured stunning aftermath images. These images showed a long, comet-like tail stretching far behind the asteroid, created by debris slowly drifting away. Over time, the dust spread even farther, painting a dramatic picture of motion and change in deep space. But the most important result was invisible to the eye. The impact successfully altered Dimorphos' orbit around its larger companion asteroid, Didymos. Even a small change proved that humanity could influence the path of a celestial object. This single collision demonstrated that Earth is not helpless against cosmic threats. The DART mission was not about fear, it was about preparation. It marked the beginning of planetary defense, showing what science, engineering, and global cooperation can achieve. These aftermath images are more than just beautiful visuals. They are proof that human intelligence can stand against the forces of the universe. In the vast silence of space, one controlled impact sent a powerful message: when the future of Earth is at stake, humanity is ready to act.